Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelechi Franklin, and in this video we're revealing a secret about dollar arbitrage in Nigeria. Now, when it comes to the exchange rate in Nigeria, you will come to see that the naira is very poor because of the politics that is being played by the government, and thereby trying to keep the naira very strong. And because of this, they don't allow the naira to flow, and the rate keeps on dropping drastically, and because of that the economy keeps on becoming weak and all of that. So the rate at which Nigeria do import things and do not export, this has made the naira to become so weak that many people don't even think about buying the naira and all of that. So many keep on buying dollars and not touching the naira, thereby the naira keeps on dropping its value each day and all of that. So it's very bad that the economic situation keeps making the naira not to flow, and if anything should be done about it, can stabilize with other fiat currencies and other currencies that we know today. But seeing that the economic situation is not favorable, the naira will keep on falling and will not have the value that is expected to have. I'm not here to talk about the politics or the economic situation or how the naira keeps on dropping and all of that. That's not what I'm here to do. But what I'm here to address is about the dollar arbitrage platforms, in which keeps on coming out today with high expectations but do not give you what you are looking for. And today we have a lot of arbitrage platforms which are being launched, and a lot of people are joining and they are making money for themselves. And the truth of the matter is that many who join these particular arbitrage platforms initially at the initial stage do make a lot of money for themselves. But sometimes one needs to pause and think about some of these arbitrage platforms, whether they are authentic, whether they are satisfied, whether they are here to stay or they are just here to hit and run and all of that. I'm not here to talk bad about any platform or that. No, all I'm here to do is just a review to tell you about some of the things that are happening when it comes to arbitrage platforms and all of that. So a lot of YouTubers won't tell you this that I'm trying to tell you right now, that many of these platforms, when they come out, what they do is to meet YouTubers like us to do videos for them or to promote their videos, and then at the end of the day we are being paid. But sometimes one needs to sit and think about all of this. That's why I always say, before you invest on any platform that you see or you hear about, you need to first of all do your own personal research, apart from what the YouTuber or the person who is telling you about the platform is talking about. You need to know whether these companies are satisfied, whether they are authentic, whether they are here to stay, how long have they been operating, and all of that. All these things are what you need to check before you now start thinking about investing your money in all of these platforms. I'm not saying that investing on these platforms are bad, but you want need to be careful before you invest. And there are different types of arbitrage in which I always say, but the arbitrage that I always recommend that people should do are those ones that require you using your card to deposit funds, either on Binance or crypto.com and other exchanges. Those ones are good, they are nice ones, but those ones that will require you to buy a particular crypto and then you now invest it and leave it for a particular longer period of time, or days or months before you withdraw your capital, those ones are the ones you need to be very careful before you invest. Or a lot of these platforms, when they come out, they meet a lot of YouTubers, go to their DM, go to their Telegram group or to their Telegram, DM them direct or email them telling them that they would like to use them for their platform. How much do they charge? And at the end of this, YouTubers are being paid. I'm not saying that YouTubers should not do that, but what I'm saying is that there are some of these platforms in which before you review it, you need to check it, or before you tell people to invest, you need to check it and know if these platforms are here to stay or they are here to hit and run and all of that. So I'm not here to scare anybody about any arbitrage platform or not. All I'm just saying is, before you invest as an individual, you need to sit. You need to do a lot of check, think about it. Let it be that something is what you want to do and you have checked these particular platforms and they are authentic to you, and then you are investing. Yes, everything is risky, but you need to take some measures or caution before you invest your money on any arbitrage platform. Sometimes these individuals who are behind this platform do not make the exact money that they are looking for when it comes to arbitrage, because these people who own this platform, they are not central bank, and sometimes what they were expecting is not what they are seeing, and sometimes they will not meet up to expectations, and they will end up not giving individuals who invest what they are looking for. thereby it's as if they have deceived some individuals and all of that. But despite that, individuals need to consider the kind of platform you need to join. Are they satisfied? As I said, are they okay? Are they going to stay? How are they operating and all of that? Before you invest, you need to check their certification, what they are here for, how long have they been operating, and all these things are what you need to keep into consideration. Because there are a lot of platforms I see today, they will tell you to invest your particular crypto asset and then leave it for some period of time, and you will be getting 2% for your daily return or your return of investment. It doesn't make sense sometimes. 2%, imagine how much are you going to deposit that will make up the money you are looking for. Imagine investing 1 million naira and you are getting 2%. That means at the end of the month or the end of the week, you are making 20,000 naira with 1 million naira that you have invested. Does it make sense? It doesn't make sense. That means this individual can decide to zoom out to somebody's money and all of that. I'm not putting you, I'm not making you to be afraid, but all I'm just saying is you need to be very careful. Some of these platforms are platforms that are owned by Nigerians too, and many of them are not all that. I will not say that they are satisfied. Many of them do not have the certification that we are looking for, and you need to be careful before you invest on any of these. So when you consider all of these things, you will come to see that you need to be very careful and all of that. And YouTubers on their own, who people come to if you are seeing this video, all I'm trying to say is review it, check their certification before you inform other people to join. Let it be known that this platform that you're introducing them to is a paid promotion that they need to check on their own too. Make it clear in your video so that before these individuals will invest, they will have to check it on their own if it's something they want to do. But if you don't make it stated on your video and they invest and at the end of the day they lose their money, it will be like you are here to defraud individuals. That's why it's important for you to review whatever thing you want to do when it comes to arbitrage and all of that. So you on your own part, you watching videos, you want to make money, everybody wants to make money, yes, but at least sometimes you need to sit down, think about it and know what you are about to invest. Do your own personal research. Don't just rely on what the YouTuber or what I say, but do your own research to confirm whether this platform is authentic, is it here to stay, and all of that. Do they have certification and all of that? When you consider all of these things, you will come to see that you will make a lot of profit for yourself and you will be able to invest wisely. All of these things are things you need to consider before you try to invest. Very bad that a YouTuber will review a platform and at the end of the day, the platform in which he or she has reviewed end up not fulfilling the promise that they have done, and sometimes many of them zoom out. It will now look like the YouTuber is there to scam individuals. It's not supposed to be so. That's not what I'm here for too. That's why I always try to review. I receive a lot of messages on my mails and on my Telegram where individuals say they want me to do a review or they want to work with me and all of that, but when I ask them what is the platform all about and they start explaining, when I see it, I look at it that this will not stay, and individuals in my platform will not want such a thing. Thereby at the end of the day they will not get the result that they are looking for. I don't want a situation whereby the first individuals will profit and the people who come at the later days will not get what they are looking for. It will be as if that they have been scammed or they have been deceived. So all of these things are what I check. Sometimes I reject some promotions in which I don't do. Sometimes I just allow them, I tell them please use another YouTube channel, that I will not do that and all of that, because I want everybody to get what they are investing on. It's not that I don't want to do the video. I can decide to be collecting every video. I have a one currently on my DM talking about gaming platform, but I don't want to do all of those stuff. What I want to do is to something that will benefit you. When I test it and it works, I share it with individuals and you get the result you are looking for. That is how it's supposed to work, and that is how other people are supposed to do it. So when you consider all of these things and you see that before you invest, despite what the YouTuber or what I have said, try to do your own personal research, your own review, and see if this platform is what you want to invest in. Don't say that because Mr. A told you to invest in this particular platform and you invested in it and you did not get a result, and because of that you are offended. That's why you need to check on your own, do your own personal research. There are a lot of ways you can do your research. Go to Google, ask questions, check different certificates, are they certified and all of that. you should know how to do research. All of these things will help you to invest wisely. We're in the 21st century where you don't need to invest and start lavishing your money or throwing it away or dashing it out. That is why they will always say do your own research. I always shout it because I know what these platforms are here to do. And if you want to invest wisely, you can decide to do it for a certain period of time, and once it reach, let me say you want to do it for the first 3 weeks or the first 1 month, after that you are not doing again. You can give yourself short budget and you are okay. But telling yourself that you will not do this and what the person has said is that you're okay with it, fine, okay, but try and also do your own personal research and you see that you get the result that you are looking for. So if this video was helpful, please try and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to go to the comment section, say thank you. And I'm not here to hate anybody, I'm not here to talk about any channel that this channel is doing this or this. No, that's not what I'm here to. But I'm here to just say my mind about what arbitrage platforms are happening, what are happening, and what they do and all of that. So invest. My own is invest, try to do your own research, and don't invest on the wrong place and you get the result you are looking for. Don't forget to subscribe and share to other people who would love to hear such information too that I just shared with you, because many individuals are looking for a way to make money, but they still need to make proper analysis or proper research before they invest on any platform. I don't want to mention any platform or any channel. All I just want to inform you is that you need to do your own research. Despite what other channels have talked about a particular platform, do your own research and you get the best result that you are looking for. See you on my next video. Peace.